Hey, and welcome back to another video here with Smartwash Cleaning. And today I want to just get you started with a video on our paint correction that we did, and just give you some insight and some information on this detail. Make sure you all like and subscribe to help us grow, and we will continue to make more information to help you all with your detailing journey. And also make sure you comment and like and ask any questions that you may have in the comment below. Thank you. Alright, so here we go. We are filling up our water buckets, getting ready for our detail with our pickup truck that we use for our detailing business. We keep all our equipment on here, and we're going to go ahead and get started with our foam wash. We always do our pre-rinse, and then we hit it with our foam. And then this is the before of our scratch. Right here I'm just showing you how deep the cuts are, and how we're going to get this off. So now that we have done our wash, and now we're going to go ahead and wax it. As you can see on here, I did our basic wash and polish. It's not too deep, it's just enough to wax it and get it in a good position. That way we can finish up and start working on our actual paint correction. So we use our 1000 grit, then we have that 2000 grit. You can use a 2500 and also a 3000. I went ahead and got started with the 1000 grit. With that, you can see that it left a pretty big haze in the different areas of the vehicle. That haze, you just want to make sure you actually compounding it with a strong enough buffer to get those haze marks out. And also a great compound. Right here you can see I use the McGuire's, and then I have my buffer. You actually buy this buffer from AutoZone. I believe it's about $200. So I am compounding that haze mark. It's going to take some time, but over time that haze will go away, and bam, you have your finished product. You do see that it's completely gone, and it's showing perfectly. I mean, if you're there in person, you will see that the haze is gone, but it still needs a little bit more polishing. So later in this video I went back and just polished it up a little bit more, just so it doesn't show anything for a detailer. For a regular person that's walking past the car, they wouldn't notice, but as you can see, it's spotless. It's brand new. It looks new, and it's back for a great job. Thank you for watching, and make sure you all like and subscribe. Make sure you all comment, and make sure you all continue to show us love and support. Thank you all for watching.